So have you completed exercise 1? Completed now. Next, before going to discuss the exercise 2.2, see some example. How many examples are there here? 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 examples are there. Okay? So, while we going to discuss this 2.2 first bit, first we will discuss this 2.2 first bit. We will see the example. If the examples are and exercise problems are same, I will give the exercise problems are homework for you. Okay na? First is the problem is everybody know the property in the 7th class. What is the property? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. Okay. So why I said exterior angle here? See the first one. First one. Find the value of x in the following the figure. So okay, here given the some diagram here and also given the 56 degrees and x. They are in the interior and 123 is the exterior. So that is the formula what? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. What is the exterior angle here? In the given the figure, from the figure, exterior angle means what here? 123 is equal to what is the interior angles? 56 plus x. 56 plus x. This is the sum of two interior angles. Next, how to solve the problem? Write down the 123 as it is. Send the 56 to the left side is equal to x. 123 minus 50, 13 minus 6, 7. 7 minus 6, 67. So what is the x is equal to value? 67 degrees. This is the first bit, first one. What is the first bit, first one? It is the outside of the angle, that is called exterior angle. Remaining two angles are inside, that is called interior angles. Next. Second one diagram, there is no exterior angle, there is no interior. These are the interior angles, sir. But look here, this is called as a triangle. In the triangle, we have the three angles P, Q, R. Here they are given some angles and also given some 3x plus 16. So, okay, in triangle, sum of three angles. In triangle, sum of three angles is equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. What are the three angles here? 45 plus 3x plus 16 plus 68 is equal to how many degrees? 180. Okay, now these are the three angles 1, 2, 3. The sum of these three angles equals to how many degrees? 180 degrees. Okay, now next. So add all the numbers. What are the numbers are there here? 45, 16 and 68. How much? 11, 19, 1 carry, 5, 6, 12, 129. How much? 129 plus 3x is equal to 189. Which one I added? 1, 2, 3. These three angles I added equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 3x is equals to, send this 180 minus 129. So 3x is equals to how much? How much will be? 180 minus 129. 10 minus 1. 5. How much? 51 degrees. So x is equal to 51 degrees by 3. Cut the 3 1 3 17. So x is equal to 17 degrees. So these are the two problems. One is the what here? Exterior angle, and second is the in triangle. That is in the triangle. The shape is the triangle here PQR. So here given the three angles. Suppose if they given the three angles in interior, we can use this formula. Okay. This is about the second one. Next, third one is the same like as the second one only. Third one same like as the second one only. We will discuss the fourth and fifth. I will give the clue for the fourth and fifth. Till now you have to check the problems. So what is the third one? Fourth one, look here. Fourth one, look here. I am drawing the diagram. Each and every problem you have to draw the diagrams only. X, Y, Z. Here given the symbols. 2x plus 7 and next 45. Which one? Fourth one. So in triangle XYZ, this XY is equal to what? YZ. Means what? XY is equal to YZ. So XY is equal to YZ, look here. That meaning here, we have the only, how many angles are there here? How many angles are there here? Only 2 angles. We have to find out the remaining angles. Okay. So, triangle, sum of 3 angles equals to 180 degrees. So, before that, there is a problem is completed now. XY is equal to YZ. What is the XY value? XY value what here? 2x plus 7 is equal to 45. 2x plus 7 is equal to 45. 2x is equal to, send this 45. 45 minus 7. 2x is equal to how much? How much? 45 minus 7. Say 45 minus 7 how much? 38. 38. X is equal to 38 by 2. 2 1 is 219. So x is equal to what here? 19 degrees. X is equal to what here? 19 degrees. Next. Fourth one, similar as the, sorry, fifth one, same like as the fifth one only. Opposite angles are equal. So that means 3x plus 10 is equal to 2x. That is the do the homework. One check out the problems clearly. We'll discuss the, your word problems are, how many they are there here? 14 are there. If I say the examples, you have to do the exercise problems homework. I'll see. Completed? And see the examples are there any related to the exercise problems. So example 3 you have to do. Okay na? Example 3 you have to do. Next. Here look here. Fourth one. Example 4. Sum of two numbers is 29. One number exceeded by another by 5. Find the number. Is there anything like that number? So not there. So we'll discuss the exercise problem. So second problem we are going to discuss. What is that? The difference between the two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the big number, the result will be the 3 times of the smallest number. Find the numbers. Okay na? Okay, the difference between the two numbers what here? 8. Let here, let two numbers is equal to x comma y. Think as that we don't know the numbers. We don't know the numbers. We'll think as that let the two numbers are what here? X comma y. So what is the given here? Here the bigger number and smaller. Bigger number means what? Bigger means what here? X only. Here bigger number what here? Bigger number will be x and smaller number is equal to what here? Y. Difference of number. Difference of two numbers. How much? 8. Difference of the two numbers what here? 8. Sir, how we can write this one? Two numbers is 8. Difference means what? Subtraction. Difference two numbers. That means what? X minus y is equal to what here? 8. That is the equation type. I said no, linear equation. That is the equation type. That is the first is completed. Next, if 2 is added to the big number, if 2 is added to the big number, Okay. Next, the result will be the 3 times of small number. Result will be 3 times of small number. That means what? What is the meaning of here? If 2 is added to the big number means what? X plus 2. Okay, na? X plus 2 is equal to, result will be small number means what? 3y. What is that here? 3y. 3 times means what? Times. Here small number means what? Here y. Next, so we have to find out the x and y values. That means what? 3y is equal to x plus 2, or else we can write here x is equal to we can write here 3y, send this one minus 2. This is the second and this is the first equation. This is the second and that is the first equation. Next, x is equal to 3y minus 2. Substitute in first. What is the first? X minus y is equal to 8. X means what here? 3y minus 2. X means what here? X place I am substituting the 3y minus 2. Y is as is equal to 8. Next, write down here 3y. Write down here y here only. Send this one minus 2 to the right side. 3y minus y. In the 3y we have to subtract the only single y. How much here will be? 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to what here? 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Y is equal to how much came here? 5. But why we came no 5? We have to find out the x value. We have to find out the x value. Okay na? Find out the x value. So y is equal to 5. Substitute in first. What is the first one? This is the first one. No? X minus y is equal to 8. X write down the x. Minus write down minus. Y means what here? 5 is equal to 8. X is equal to, send this 5. 8 plus 5. X is equal to what here? 13. So x value what? 13 and y value what here? 5. Once again I am going to explain here. According to the problem, we don't know the two numbers. Let the two numbers are x comma y. Compulsory, if you are doing the subtraction, bigger number will be what here? First only. X is the big number and small is y number. According to the problem they given. So we write here, difference means what? Minus. These two numbers difference how much? 8. This is the given also in the textbook. What is the 2 is added? This 2 is added to the big number. Big number means what? X is equal to, what is the result means what? Is equal to 3 times 3 into y. Okay, now I need the x value as subject. X is equal to 3y minus 2. I send the 2 to the right side. I substitute in the first. First means what? This is. In x place, I substitute 3y minus 2. Then I got the y value. Then I got the x value. Therefore, x is equal to 13 and y is equal to 5. Okay, na? Let's check out. Are you getting clear? Huh? Once see the problem. Next, third one. What are those numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28? Third one, similarly, same like this only. I will give the clue. You have to do the homework. Okay, na? What are those numbers? Those means what here? Let two numbers x comma y. Let the two numbers what? X comma y. So what is the given here? Whose sum? Whose sum into what? Sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers. How much given? Sum of two numbers? 58. Okay, 58. Difference. Difference of two numbers. How much they given? The 28. Sum of two numbers means what here? X plus y is equal to 58. Difference means what here? X minus y is equal to 28. Okay, na? Is it clear now? X plus y is equal to 58. X minus y is equal to 58. Is it clear now? Everything is clear now. Next, we have to find out the two numbers. Look here. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. Okay, na? So, okay, I will do this one. X, I am writing the x is equal to subject, write down the y plus 2. Same problem as this from, look here, this is what here, this is the second equation. What is that second equation? X is equal to 28 plus y, substitute in first. Same as this problem only, you have to do the solution. Is it clear? I say the half of the problem, just you have to substitute it in the place of, what you substitute, 28 plus y is equal to 58. You have to do that problem, okay na? Is it clear, Amma? Next. Fourth also I will give the clue, you have to do the homework. If you continuously do the homework, you will get the problem. Otherwise, you won't get the solutions. I am giving the clue for solution. Okay, what is the given here? Sum of two consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive means here, what is the meaning of here? Consecutive. Consecutive means what? One after number, one after. Suppose the 2 is there. 2 after number what? 3. That is called as a consecutive. Suppose the 8 is there. 8 after consecutive number what here? 9. Here odd number means what? Suppose the 1 is the odd number. What is the consecutive odd number means what here? 3. Odd numbers you know, no? 1, 3, 5, 7. Suppose I said the 11 is the odd number. What is the consecutive odd number? Next number consecutive means what? 13. Okay na? That is the numbers we know. But here don't know the, here given the numbers. We have to find out the numbers. Let 2 consecutive odd numbers. Okay, let consecutive odd numbers means here. Sir, how we know the consecutive odd numbers? So look here. If I took the extra, if I took the x, then I am taking this one. Suppose the x place I took the 1. Simple here. X place I took the 1. Next number how much will get here? 3 now. So this will be 2. Suppose the x place I took the 5. X plus 2 means what here? 5 plus 2 means what here? 7 or not? 7 or not? Okay, na? This is called as a consecutive odd numbers. Sir, if I read the plus 1 here, if I read the plus 1, you have read the here plus 3. Okay, na? About the same problem, if they ask the even numbers, same problem, if they ask the even numbers, take the x only, but you write the x plus 1. Okay, na? X plus 1, 2, x plus 2 only. Here 1, 1 plus 2. Okay, na? Same, the process will be same only. Okay. What is the given here? Whose sum is 56, find the numbers. Okay. Sum of two numbers equal to how much? 56. What are the numbers? X plus 2 is equal to 56. Okay, na? Find out this one. I will find out. Shall I say the problem total? Okay. X means what? 2x plus 2 is equal to 56. 2x is equal to, send this, 56 minus 2. 2x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja. X is equal to how much here? 27. 27 which number? Odd number only no. So x is equal to, I got 27. Other number what? X plus 2, that is 27 plus 2. How much? 29. Both are the odd numbers now. Okay, na? This is the problem. You have to do the fifth one. Sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Same process, but here given the clue above. X plus 7, x plus 14. Okay, na? No need to just write down here. Sum of 3 consecutive 7 multiples is equal to, already given the hint. What is it? X plus 7, x plus 14. So write down the sum is equal to how much given? 777. X plus 7, x plus 14 is equal to 777. Find out the x value. Then you find out the same x value we will get here. Find out the x plus 7. Then after x plus 14. So up to 5 problems are completed. Next you have to do the, after the 5 if you completed, then you write the example 4 and example 5. Okay, na? Example 4 and example 5. This is the today class. One check out the all the problems.